Hi guys, welcome to the Occasional Biker, and today we're going to be unboxing and assembling my new Blaupunkt CS3000 electric chainsaw. At least I think that's how you say it. As you can see, I haven't opened this yet. All the tape's still on it. Let's get it open. See what we've got. So, another box inside. So that looks like a retail box. So, let's see what else we've got. Well, hopefully a chainsaw. So you can see there, not much in the way of packaging. It's basically just a chainsaw in a box. So there you go, better view of the box as it came. Instruction manual, chainsaw bar, and then the chainsaw body itself. And of course, let's not forget the chain. Here's the body. Looks like a pretty long flex cord, probably about 3 meters I'd say, looking at it. Look, there was a little bit of polystyrene in there. It looks and feels very solid, so good first impression. So there's everything as it comes out of the box. I'll have a quick peek at the manual and we'll start putting it together. So, had a quick look at the instructions, and basically what we need to do is take the bar, ensure that the adjustment wheel's feet is all the way to the right, that's that way, so that you've got as much adjustment on the chain as possible. Fit the bar to the body of the chainsaw, loop the chain around, screw it all back together, tension the chain, and that should be it. So let's get going. Okay, so there's the chain and the bar on the body of the chainsaw. Obviously the chain needs tensioning up quite a lot, so we'll get the cover on and then tension the chain. Okay, there we go. That is just about it. Chain looks to be about the right tension. So, this, by the way, is around 80 quid from Amazon. You get some good reviews as well, so we'll get some oil in this, get it outside, give it a quick test and see what we think. So that all seems to work really well. Noticeable how effective the instant chain brake is on this Blaupunkt in comparison to my previous chainsaw. As soon as you take your finger off the trigger, chain stops. The motor's still whirring but the chain stops, so it's a really good safety feature. Hope you like the video. Any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.